This video will show you how to create a static route on a Cisco iOS router. The IP route command will require three values: the network address you want to teach the router, the associated subnet mask, and the IP address of the neighboring router. For our example, we will be using the topology shown here. Our goal is to teach router 1 about networks that are not directly connected to it. In this case, router 1 does not know about network 192.168.3.0, and thus we will need to teach it by implementing a static route command. First, elevate your privilege by typing enable, then enter global configuration mode. Now that we are in global configuration, we will issue the static route command by typing IP space route space the IP address of the network not known by router 1, 192.168.3.0, the subnet mask of this network, 255.255.255.0. Finally, the IP address of the neighboring router, 192.168.2.1. After issuing this command, router 1 will insert this static route to its routing table and will forward any packet destined to this network to its neighboring router. To verify that the command has been inserted to the routing table, type show IP route command in the router's privilege exec mode.